Today we're looking at fractions, and in particular equivalent fractions. The clock here shows the time as being 12:15, which actually is 15 minutes after 12. 15 minutes out of 60. Equivalent fractions, if I had to ask you, half is equivalent to what over 60? You all know that half an hour is 30 minutes, and therefore a half is the same as 30 over 60. Please remember the rule for working out equivalent fractions. What has been done to the denominator must also be done to the numerator, or what's been done to the numerator, the same must be done to the denominator. If we're trying to work out an equivalent fraction for a quarter out of 60, the 4 has been multiplied by 15 to make 60. Therefore, the 1 is times by 15. So a quarter is the same as 15 out of 60. And if we look at 3/4, the same rule applies. You now have to multiply 3 by 15. So 3/4 is the same as 45 out of 60. If you're asked what 5 out of 60 would be as an equivalent fraction where they only give you the numerator of 1, you have divided 5 by 5 to get 1. Therefore 60 must also be divided by 5. And 60 divided by 5 is 12. Therefore your equivalent fraction for 5 over 60 is 1/12. Find an equivalent fraction for 20 out of 60. 20 has been divided by itself to get 1. Therefore you divide 60 by 20 and you end up with the answer of 1/3. Lastly, we're looking at 40 out of 60, and that is 2 over 3. The 40 has been divided by 20, and so you do the same to the 60 and divide that 60 by 20 to get 3.